Did you know that millions of years ago, volcanic eruptions blanketed Cappadocia in ash? This ash hardened into soft rock, sculpted by time into fantastical shapes. Imagine a landscape dotted with towering cones and mushroom-shaped pillars. This is Cappadocia. Located in the heart of Turkey, Cappadocia is where history and nature collide. Famous for its fairy chimneys, the region resembles a children's book. Its beauty lies in secret valleys and ancient cave churches. True adventure awaits those who venture off the beaten path. Imagine wandering through vineyards and orchards, stumbling upon hidden cave dwellings carved into the hillsides. This is the allure of Cappadocia, a place where the past and present blur. The challenge is knowing where to look. Popular spots can overshadow hidden gems. With planning and adventure, you can find them. Balance iconic landmarks with off-the-beaten-path trails. Explore beyond Gorem Open-Air Museum and the underground cities of Derinkuyu and Kaymakli. Discover the magic in lesser-known valleys. Ask a local and they might whisper tales of hidden valleys where time seems to stand still. These secluded oases offer a glimpse into the region's rural life and a chance to connect with nature. One such gem is the Soganli Valley, often overlooked by tourists but beloved by those seeking solitude and breathtaking scenery. Here you can hike among ancient cave churches adorned with centuries-old frescoes, their colors still vibrant despite the passage of time. Imagine the hushed whispers of monks praying within these hallowed halls, their faith etched into the very walls. It's a humbling experience that transports you back to a bygone era. But the hidden wonders of Cappadocia aren't limited to its natural landscapes. In the heart of Avanos, a town renowned for its pottery-making traditions, you'll find family-run workshops where generations have passed down their skills. Secrets of the valleys and caves. Step inside one of these workshops and you'll be greeted by the rhythmic hum of a potter's wheel and the earthy scent of clay. Watch in awe as skilled artisans mold shapeless lumps of clay into intricate vases, bowls and tiles, each piece imbued with the history and artistry of generations past. These workshops offer more than just souvenirs. They provide a window into the soul of Cappadocia, where tradition and craftsmanship are woven into the fabric of everyday life. Engage with the artisans, listen to their stories, and you'll leave with a newfound appreciation for the region's artistic heritage. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valleys, prepare for an experience that will stay with you long after you've left Cappadocia. The hot air balloon ride is a quintessential Cappadocian experience, offering unparalleled views of the region's otherworldly landscape. A moment suspended in time. Imagine drifting silently over the valleys as the first rays of dawn paint the fairy chimneys in a golden glow. Below, the landscape unfolds like a living, breathing map, dotted with ancient cave dwellings, rock-cut churches and meandering rivers. It's a moment suspended in time, a sensory overload of breathtaking beauty and profound peace. As you float effortlessly through the air, you'll gain a new perspective on the vastness and splendor of Cappadocia. The world below seems to shrink, and for a brief moment you feel entirely connected to the history and magic of this extraordinary place. Cappadocia's hidden wonders are a testament to the power of exploration and the importance of venturing off the beaten path. By delving deeper into the region's lesser-known corners, you'll discover a side of Cappadocia that few tourists ever experience.